Welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods and ways to bring inner peace for a healthy lifestyle. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any latest updates from Lifestyle Speaks. We all have felt stuck at some point in our life where we do not understand how we should proceed further. We all face different adverse and difficult situations in our life, which brings in a lot of stress, anxiety, disappointment, and uncertainty. And when we face such difficult adverse situations or when we experience different obstacles in our life, it becomes very much difficult for us to move towards our goals and dreams. But this is something which does not only happen with us. This also happens with really successful people, despite it looking that they have it all and everything is under control. It is just the way they deal with the situation is very much different than how we deal with the situation. However, it is very important that when we feel stuck in our life or when we face different obstacles in our life, we keep on pushing ourselves to move forward and we do not allow the different obstacles and challenges of life to break us. Because if we want to move forward in our life and we want to pursue our goals and dreams and we also want to maintain inner peace in our life, it is very important that we do not allow the different obstacles and difficult situations in our life from derailing us. And it is very important that we are able to face the different hardships in our life by taking one small step at a time. We do not need to take very large steps to overcome it, we need to take small steps towards it. And as we move forward by taking one small step at a time, we will start to feel more confident and we will be eventually able to overcome that obstacle in our life. But for that, we do not only need strength and courage, we also need to adopt few powerful tips and techniques in our life that can help us to overcome the obstacles and keep moving forward in our life to achieve our goals. And this is very important. So let us see what they are and let us know all about it. And do ensure that you also adopt these powerful tips and techniques in your life because they're really effective and they're really very good and they will always allow you to keep moving forward in your life and enjoy inner peace. Firstly, it is very important that we never avoid any obstacle which is in front of us and we learn to face them. We all generally tend to avoid any obstacles that comes in our way or any difficult situation that comes in our way, hoping that they will get better soon. Or we do not feel that we will be able to deal with it or we will be able to solve it. Or we are scared of it. Or we also avoid these obstacles because we want to get distracted from it. But generally avoiding an obstacle leads it to become worse. A problem which may be very small at the initial stage later becomes bigger and unmanageable. So avoiding any obstacles which comes in our way does nothing to better a situation. So however difficult or painful the obstacle it may be, we need to learn to confront it heads on rather than procrastinating about it. It will not be easy. It will never be easy and it will also push us to our boundaries. But that is the only way that we can break free and keep moving forward in our life to achieve our goals and dreams. And that is something which is more important, of course, obviously. So accept that there is a problem and acknowledge it. And accept that you are the only person who can solve that problem. And if for some reason you procrastinate about it, just remind yourself that the longer you delay it or the longer you avoid it, the problem will just become more worse. The second tip is change how you think about obstacles and hardships. The ability to keep pushing and moving forward in our life despite all obstacles we face lies in our attitude and how we think and perceive the different obstacles and hardships in our life. If we get scared of them and we allow them to break us, then we can never make any progress in our life. But if we stay strong and persistent and we do not allow them to stop us, then slowly and steadily we can get back up and we can keep moving forward in our life. But for that, we need to develop the attitude where you keep moving in life no matter what. And for that, you surely need to change how you think about obstacles and hardships in your life. We cannot stop obstacles from coming in our life, but we can surely change the way we think about them or we respond to them. And we can actually learn very important life lessons from these obstacles if we learn to find meaning in them and we learn to fight them. The third tip is always keep your goal in mind and know why you're doing it. it. It is very easy to lose vision of our goals and dreams when we face different obstacles in our life. And it's also very difficult to overcome these obstacles if we do not have a strong reason to keep moving forward. And that is why it is very important to always know your why. Your why will be the driving force to motivate you to keep pushing forward and overcoming obstacles. Why did you start doing something in the first place? Maybe it can be some reason or some passion. Why is this goal important to you? Or why do you want to achieve this particular future goal or future dream? Or why do you need to work hard to overcome these obstacles? So during the tough times or when you face obstacles, it is always very important to look at the bigger picture. And that will drive you to move forward despite adverse conditions. And one thing I can surely say is that if you do the right thing now, that is, if you do the right thing during the time you face the obstacles, you will surely have good and rewarding days ahead of you. The fourth tip is developing a positive mindset. Do you think that it is possible to solve any problem or overcome any obstacle with negativity or a negative mindset? No, never it is possible. This is because a negative mindset makes you feel stressed, makes you feel overwhelmed, and also makes you feel afraid, which will help you achieve nothing in your life. And that is why it is very important to develop a positive mindset, which is a very important tool to overcome obstacles in your life and keep moving forward. This is because it helps to reduce our stress levels and increase our confidence when we want to face the challenges. It keeps the mind calm, which helps us to better deal with the problems we are facing and explore all possible solutions for it. And it also gives us perseverance to get up every time we fall down and keep on doing that till the time we reach a goal. Fifth tip is let go of the past and also do not worry for the future. Sometimes we are stuck on the failures or fears of our past, which may be an obstacle which is preventing us from moving forward. Also, regrets from doing something in the past or our past mistakes may make us overthink about it, which just wastes our time and energy. And just like we should not think too much about our past, worrying too much about the future is also not good, and it's not going to help you to get going. Therefore, you need to accept the fact that your past is your past, about which you cannot change anything. You can just learn valuable lessons from your past, which can help you to build a better future. And similarly, you should not think too much about your future because your future is not set in stone. You should work hard in the present moment so that you have a good future. And when you do so, this will change your perspective and you'll be able to make the most of the present moment, which will help you to keep moving forward. The sixth tip is shift your state. When we face obstacles in our life, at times instead of putting all our focus and energy on it, it is sometimes good and changing to put our focus and energy on something which we like doing or something that brings us joy. And this will help to shift our state and mood and will change our mind and mood from gloom to hope and possibility. This is sometimes much needed to bring in the required hope, energy and positivity to get us out from that dreaded problem and its cycle. So always ensure to make time for doing things that bring in joy and happiness and that puts you in a good mood. The seventh tip is take action. Like I said before, if we face any obstacle in our life, it is important that we solve it ourselves and we prevent it from becoming bigger. And for that, it is important that we take action. It sounds very simple, right? But it is not simple if you do not have a proper action plan without which you cannot take action. So how do we create a proper action plan? For that, it is very important that you list down all the possible options along with its pros and cons so that you can find the best options. Also, how long it will take and the list of all actions you need to take for it and the list of resources you will need so that you have everything ready before you begin and execute your plan. And always remember that when you take actions, do not stop ever and just keep moving forward to reach your goals. So these were some powerful tips and methods which you can adopt in your life so that you can overcome obstacles and keep moving forward in your life to achieve your goals. Hope this is helpful and thank you so much for watching the video. Do not forget to like the video and do share in the comment section as to what method has worked for you to overcome your obstacles other than what I have mentioned in today's video. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling, and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.